Hey, it's Trisa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my crafting room. I'll be uploading a lot of Christmas content this month. This time it's a saleable with Christmas design. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Start from preparing the fabric. I've made this with satin and cotton fabric. The size is 50 by 15 centimeters. We will attach fur fabric on the side. Looks like snow, perfectly represent Christmas. The size is 4 by 15 centimeters. With the right sides together, place it on both sides. Then sew this part. Now prepare black fabric. The size is 3 by 15 centimeters. I don't want the black fabric to be too visible. I've made this on my first try. If you want the black fabric to be visible, you can use 5 by 15 centimeters. Place with the right sides together. Then sew this part. Now fold the whole fabric in half. Then sew all around the edges. Leave a gap in the middle for us to turn the fabric. Before turning the fabric, trim the corner to make it less bulky. Now we can turn the fabric inside out. Use something pointed to push from the inside. Give it a little press. This is the opening. Place it at the bottom part. Fold the fabric in half and prepare your marker. I found a new marker. It's air erasable marker. It disappears after a few hours. Purchase link is in the description. Mark the center part. Then measure 7 centimeters to the left and right side. I'll show you the closer look. Fold exactly on the mark. If you're looking for Christmas decoration ideas, consider subscribing and turn on the notification. I'll be uploading Christmas themed content for this month. If you can't find something you want, leave a comment and I'll reply it with shots. I'll use a clip or pin to hold the fabric. Prepare needle and matching thread. Now we can gather the fabric right in the center. Gather the fabric, adjust a little, tie it, then secure the thread. I'm making this as a hair clip. If you want to use other accessories, you're welcome to do so. Handmade is all about our preferences. To finish the center, you can use glitter ribbon or rhinestones, whatever you have in your stash. I'll use my beautiful rhinestones. Use hot glue gun if you want it quickly. If you want it to be secure, use hand stitching. That's it, our Christmas hair bow is finished. Thanks for following this tutorial. If you find it useful, support me by liking and subscribing. Any questions? Write in the comment below. I'll try to reply it with shots. See you in my next video. Bye!